Today we're going to bring on a box of sandpaper with different kinds of grits levels. It's from 150, 240, 320, 400, and 600. So this box is perfect for what I'm going to be able to do. I'm going to actually do 3D printing. I'm going to clean up a couple of the prints, and then I also printed my little tool so I could actually get some grits in here and set it up. So this tool, you can find it anywhere. It's free online, but you're going to need this to do a combination of this. So let's go ahead and do that. What I like to do is you're gonna have to remove them and make sure you leave a couple of them in here, tied up in here. Remove the rubber bands if you want to start using. So right now we're gonna use this one, for example, right? So I'm gonna cut it with a scissors. So you get your measurements how you want. This is a large one. I'm actually overdoing it on this one, but what I'm gonna do is actually measure it, how much I want from it, and that's pretty much what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna measure it, because this thing has to go all around in here too, in there. So get a little piece like that, cut it, leave the next one out, a little bit out, put it one way, here's one way, here's the other way, and then we're going to put this tool here that I have here, put it in there, lock it in place. I printed this out. Now I could sand some of the corners I need. This is a little bit big, so I'm going to print something smaller, but I can always move it to the edge if I want and just print. So sanding, it's an ease. Look at that. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.